cookie.
Yes. What do we have here? What do we have? Isaac, cookie? Isaac, is it a cookie? Yum.
How is Isaac at 3?
Because he has 3 teeny ones. Whoop. Wow, that's a big old mouthful of cookie. Mmm, yummy. Chris's cookies are yummy. Isaac, can you say cookie? If a mouthful of cookies, it's hard to say cookie. Say hi, Caleb.
Hi.
Caleb's eating cookies too. Yummy? Your water bottle is in the sink, ma'am. Mmm. Need to get a drink? You're a thirsty dude. Mmm. Green lips. Isaac, say cookie. Isaac, say cookie.
Cookie. Cookie.
Good job. Say bye, Isaac. Say bye-bye.
Huh?
Say bye-bye. I'm not going anywhere. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.
Caleb says,
Bye-bye.
there you go. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good job.